Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing PUBG Mobile without direct online interaction. First, it is important to understand that PUBG Mobile is fundamentally an online multiplayer game. It requires a consistent internet connection to function, connecting to servers for matchmaking and real-time gameplay. Without this connection, you cannot access the main Battle Royale experience or other online modes. While you cannot play without an internet connection, you can control your social visibility. PUBG Mobile allows you to appear offline to your friends, giving you privacy during your sessions. Simply navigate to the Friends tab on your main dashboard, select your profile, and choose the stealth status. This will prevent others from seeing you online or sending you game invitations. For skill improvement without the pressure of live matches, utilize the training grounds. This dedicated area lets you practice aiming, recoil control, and movement with any weapon or vehicle. It is an excellent place to familiarize yourself with game mechanics and test different loadouts. Remember, even this practice mode requires an active internet connection to access and function properly. If you prefer playing against non-human opponents, PUBG Mobile offers a human versus AI mode. Here, you can form a squad and compete against computer-controlled bots on maps like Livik. This is a fantastic way for new players to grasp game strategy and combat fundamentals in a less competitive setting. However, like all other modes, an internet connection is essential to engage in these AI battles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.